Hi, welcome to Telagus, a leading CRM and team management solution. Telagus offers one subscription, one dashboard to drive your business with GEI, growth, efficiency, and intelligence. In this video, we will see how to start using Telagus. First, go to telagus.com to get started. On the home page, you can see all the details and description of Telagus to know what Telagus is and what are the advantages of using Telagus. Our growth, efficiency, and intelligence (GEI) platform keeps you and your team focused on the daily decisions and actions needed to drive your business forward. You can also book a tour from Telagus, and our expert team member will attend and explain you everything about Telagus on your selected session date and time. Telagus is priced so it's affordable whether you're a startup, SME, or enterprise business. You can choose one of our pricing plans, as also can customize the benefits of the plan by simply increasing and reducing the number of credits as per your requirements. You can access frequently asked questions to know the answers of your questions, or you can provide us your basic details on Get in Touch form. Our team will contact you for explaining Telagus with better clarity. You can also choose the detailed options by go to menu on top right corner and selecting a category based on your requirement. And you can book a tour anytime to talk to our expert team member to have a detailed explanation of Telagus by the expert. All you need to do is select a day and time, fill in some necessary information, and click on Schedule Event. Now let's get started by clicking on Get Started button. Once you click the button, the system will take you to the Sign In and Register page. You will need to complete one-time registration by clicking Sign Up button. You will need to select a pricing plan by clicking on Select Plan button. All the pricing details will be displayed on the page, and you will need to select a plan based on your requirements. You can also choose the billing options, bill annually and bill monthly. Select the credits as per your requirements. You can also view additional apps to be added after successful sign-up from Telagus Marketplace by clicking on the link above the Subscribe button. Choose a variety of products from Telagus Marketplace based on your requirements. You can purchase Standard and Pro plan from the Telagus platform online and start using Telagus. However, for the Enterprise plan, you can give us a call or you can book a tour from the options available on the pricing plan details. Once you have decided selecting a plan, click on Subscribe Now button at the bottom to proceed ahead. Your selected plan and pricing details will be displayed on the next page. You can verify the details and start entering your details to create a new Telagus account. Just enter your first name, last name, email address, password, company name and mobile number, and click on Sign Up Now button to create a new account. You can also sign up using your Google account. Just click on Sign Up with Google button and follow the steps. Once you click on Sign Up, a verification code will be sent on your registered mobile number. You will need to enter the verification code to verify it's you. Once the code is verified, checkout will be displayed with all the plan details again. Just verify the details and proceed for the payment to start the subscription. Enter the card details and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Click on Start Subscription button to proceed for the payment. After the successful payment, you will receive the order details on your email as well as on the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully subscribed to Telagus account and it's ready to use. Click on Back to Home button to start using Telagus. Select the specific features from the list displayed to use only the required feature and make the user interface simple. These options can be changed anytime. You can use all the features together by not selecting any of the feature and click on Continue button. Once the records are saved, you can start using the Telagus and dashboard of Telagus will be displayed. You can explore all the functions from left menu bar. Please see the next video explaining all the dashboard features. Thank you for using Telagus.